We are doing our chapter number 2, linear equation with one variable, right? Now, last time we have started exercise 2.2. In that, the seventh number was there. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find out the number, right? Same question was there. Write it down first. Write it down in your notebook. Let the first consecutive multiple of 8 is 8x. Right? And now second. And on the next line, second consecutive multiple of 8 would be what? Boliye. 8x plus 8. Okay? 8x plus 8 only. Now next. The third consecutive multiple of 8 is what will become 8x plus
16.
16. To keep 8 1 is 8 and 8 2 is 16. So next will come after 16 number. So 3 is there. बोलिए बेटा.
मैम which page number?
8x plus 16 आएगा ना?
बेटा exercise 2.2. In that we are doing the seventh number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. चलिए. So we got first number as a 8x. Second number 8x plus 8 and third number would be 8x plus 16. Addition of these three numbers will give you answer as a 888, right? Chaliye. Now I am doing on the board. You just do it with me only.
Okay.
So now you can write, right? 8x plus 8x plus 6 or 8x plus 8 plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 8, 8 and 8. Right? Now 8x plus 8x plus 8x. How much it becomes? 24x. Right? 8 plus 16. That also will become the 24 is equal to 888. So 24x is equal to 888 minus 24. Now go for the subtraction. What will you get? 8 minus 4. 4, 8 minus 2, 6 and 8. You will get x is equal to 864 divided by 4. Now divide it and tell me the answer. करिए. 864 divided by 24. What will you get? 36, right? You will get as a 36. 24, 36, 864. That you will get it.
36.
Then what you have to write now? First number. First consecutive multiple of 8. What is that our? 8x only?
Yes, ma'am.
In the beginning you have to write. First consecutive multiple of 8 is equal to 8x.
8x. Yes, ma'am.
Right? Is equal to 8 into 36. What you will get? 36 8 za.
Ma'am, 288.
So you will get 288. Very good. Now, second consecutive multiple of 8. That whole sentence you have to write. Second consecutive
8x plus 8.
multiple of 8. That is given 8x
8.
plus 8.
8 plus 8.
कितना मिला? 288 plus 8 कर दीजिए. You will get the answer. 2 by बार मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है तो what will you get?
296.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Third consecutive multiple of 8. Third consecutive multiple of 8 is equal to 8 plus 16.
296.
Get
Yes, ma'am.
8 plus 16. What is it? 300.
304.
304.
304.
304. Right? So, at the last, you can write, so the three numbers are, so the three numbers are
288, 296, and
296 and 304.
304.
304.
right.
मैम मेरा लेक्चर बैठने दिया है
Understood everybody?
मैम मैंने अलग मेथड से किया है तो देख लीजिए ना एक बार फिर राइट है
नहीं समझ में आया.
मैंने अलग
Ma'am, he
मेथड
is
से किया
saying-
है
But beta, that number will come the same. Ah, okay, whatever it is. Have you got the same number?
Yes.
ठीक है. Now just tell me the next number.
Ma'am, next is it. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers.
75 is then add up and give you 75, right?
No, ma'am, 74.
Okay, 74. Okay, okay, I understood. See, this Sarthi's F is not opening, so I am just doing without that. Okay. चलिए, write down the first consecutive number. The three consecutive numbers are what? See, I am writing here on the board. You just write it out. The first consecutive number. Write it down. The first consecutive number is x. The second is x plus 1 and third is x plus 2.
X plus 2
Consecutive numbers. Now
number.
are taken in increasing order and multiply by 2, 3 and 4. So first consecutive number is multiplied by 2, second consecutive is multiplied by 3 and the third consecutive is multiplied by 4.
4.
Now they add up and give you 74. They तीनों का addition करना है and you will get as a 74. Okay, so what will become? You can add here 2x, here 3x plus 3 and here become 4x plus 8.
4x plus 8.
Right? This you have to
Yes,
Six.
ma'am.
now तीनों का addition, if all three add up and give you 74. So what can we write? So 2x plus 3x plus 3
3x plus
4x plus 8
4x.
equal to 74.
Yes, ma'am.
But you have to write the full. The first consecutive number is x, second consecutive number is x plus 1 and third consecutive number is x plus 3.
3.
I think.
And then you will multiply the numbers and you will get the answer. Okay? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4 become 9x plus 3 plus 8 become 11 is equal to 7. So now 9x is equal to 74 minus 11. So how much will come? 3 and 6. 63 9. 9 is 63. So here you
3.
is equal to 7. Now
Yes, ma'am.
we have to find out this number. So which number we have to find it out? Initial. Without multiplication we have to find out the number. तो आपको लिखना है the first consecutive number. First consecutive number is equal to x is equal to 7.
7. Yes, ma'am.
The number would be x plus 1,
X plus 1 is equal to 7 plus 1 is equal to 8.
8. And then we write down the third consecutive number would be x plus 2 is
X
equal
plus 2.
to 2.
Answer is 9.
9.
Yes,
9. 7, 8, and 9 are the numbers.
So these numbers
Yes.
are, then you write down, so these numbers are 7, 8 and 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Ma'am.
Okay. Now next question. Chalo. What is the next question? Read it out.
Ma'am, 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages?
Okay. Now the what are these names? Just repeat the name of these two persons.
Rahul and Harun.
Rahul and Harun.
Harun.
Ma'am, Rahul and Harun.
So assume that their present age, right? The ages are given in the ratio. So one Rahul's age will become 5x and the Arun's age will become the 7x. Understood? Right. Write it down that in your notebook. Let Rahul's age be of 5x and Arun's age will be of 7x. 4 years later, मतलब 4 साल के बाद. So what you will do? Add करोगे? Just now, if my age is 20 years, after 4 years, what will be my age? 24, right? So we have to add 4 in that their ages. So
5x plus 4.
Ma'am, 5 plus 4.
Ma'am.
Is my voice is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
I'm speaking, okay? So Rahul's age would be 5x and Arun's age would be 7x. Then that is the next line. After 4 years. After 4 years, Rahul's age would be 5x plus 4. After 4 years, Rahul's age would be 5x plus 4. And Arun's age will be 7x plus 4.
Plus 4.
Understood? Now what you have to do? You have to add up these. You have to add up this 56. You have to add those age and you will get answer as a 56. Means what you will do? 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56.
Equal to 56. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that you have to write. That will become our linear equation.
5x plus 4 plus 7.
Plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to
56.
50.
56. Yes.
equal to 56. Now 5 plus 4. क्या होगा?
12x plus 8
Plus
is equal to 56.
is equals to 56.
में क्या होगा?
12x is equal to 56 minus 8.
48.
48.
Your x would be 48 upon 12.
12 is equal
12.
to
4.
4 is at 12.
What is your answer?
4.
So,
Ma'am, Rahul.
what is the answer? So what is it? Now write it down.
Rahul says is equal to 5x here.
5x. 5 into 4 is equal to
20 years.
20 years.
Arun says.
Arun age.
भावेश अपना माइक ऑफ कर, बहुत आवाज आ रही है.
Ma'am, it's Harun, not Arun.
Bhavesh, mic off kar.
7 years is equal to 28 years.
N.
Ma'am, Harun, not Arun.
Whatever name, you just write it down yourself. I didn't recognize. So whatever the name is there, okay? That you just see it yourself. Whose name is given? Okay, write down the
We
name.
just have to solve.
Ma'am, will you send the PDF of this?
Yes, beta.
Will you send this PDF?
I have sent yesterday the PDF of this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, yesterday's work I have used the PDF. MBD's homework. Textbook sums I am doing on the board only. So no need to send the PDF for that. Right? Tell you. Many sums are there, we have to do fast. Tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Go for the next patient. Who can read?
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am, can I?
Chalo, bolo.
Can I?
The number of boys
Number
and
of
girls in a
boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number
7.5.
of
The
boys
number
is
of boys
8
is
more
8,
than the
more than
numbers
the
of
number of
girls.
girls. What is the
What
total
is
class
the
strength?
total
I
class
can't
strength?
hear properly now. I am speaking the question. Just make the correction in my words. Okay. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The number of boys is 10 more than number of girls.
No, ma'am. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls.
The number of boys is
Ma'am.
more than number
Is
of
8.
girls. 8.
Yes.
0, 8.
What is the total class strength?
हमारी बात है. Assume that, what will you assume? Number of girls. Write it down. Number of girls. Write down everybody. Number of girls be X.
Ma'am, 3x.
नहीं, number of girls is equal to X. Number of girls is equal to X and number of boys is equal to
Anybody make it solve?
number of girls is equal to X and number of boys is equal to X plus 8. The number of girls and boys in a class are in ratio 7/5. So what if write number of girls and boys का ratio? Boys and girls का ratio. तो boys का ratio क्या है? X plus 8 and girls are X. And ratio is given as 7/5. Number of boys and girls in a class are in ratio 7/5. तो पहले boys का लिखना है and then girls का. Now go for the cross multiplication. X 5 into 6. So what will become 5 into x plus 8 is equal to 7 into x equal 8. Now 5 into x only become 5x.
Yes, ma'am.
And 5 8 are 40.
Yes, 40.
You can write changing the sign, okay? And changing the sign. 7x comes this side, left side. So what will become 7x? This will become left side. Become minus 5x is equal to 40.
40.
Is equal to x is equal to 40 upon 2 is
40.
equal to 20.
20. Yes, ma'am. 20, ma'am.
Okay. Now here I write bulb. Bulb कितनी है? Only x. 20 girls are there. And here what?
Please mute your mic, Shivani.
X plus 8. So x is 20 plus 8. You will get 28. Now you have to find it out class 10. So what will become? 20 plus 28 is equal to 48 students are present in the class.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood this now?
Yes.
Is it clear to everyone?
Please
Yes, ma'am.
side.
Ma'am, please side. We have to write.
Just complete it. Similarly, these questions are there in your workbook also. 7, 8, 9, 10, page number 11 and 12. Do it same sums are there, only digits are changed.
Okay, ma'am.
Now going to the next question. Who wants to read now?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Only class will read now.
Ma'am, I have already written this. Ma'am, can I?
शिवानी read कर दो फटाफट.
Okay, ma'am. Bharat's father is 26 years younger than Bharat's grandfather and 29 years older than Bharat. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them?
Okay. Now assume that whose age would be X now? बोलिए.
Ma'am, Bharat.
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 Assume that Bharat's age would be X.
What, ma'am?
नहीं भरत नहीं, भरत फादर्स की एज करो.
Yes, ma'am. Bharat's
Ma'am, but
father
Bharat
age is 29.
Bharat's father's age is X years. Write it down. Okay. What would be
Can
the
you,
Bharat?
ma'am? Can you speak again?
बोलो अभी.
Ma'am, can you speak again?
And you are disturbing the whole class also. चलिए, write it down. Now assume that Bharat's father, भरत के पिता की एज X years है. Write it down. Bharat's father's age is X years. So what is Bharat's grandfather's age? Write it down. Bharat's grandfather's age is equal to X plus 28.
Ma'am, 28.
Ma'am, plus 29.
Ma'am, plus 29.
I'm plus 29.
Where is ma'am? Ma'am, you're 29.
Is equal to X plus 28.
Ma'am,
भारत के
29.
बाद वापस रिपीट करोगे?
20.
29.
Yes, ma'am.
नो प्रॉब्लम, चलिए अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. Bharat's age would be x minus 29. Bharat's father's age will be x, and Bharat's grandfather's age would be x minus 26, x plus 26. Now clear?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Bharat's age would be x minus 29. भरत के पापा की एज हो जाएगी x और उसके दादा की एज होगी x प्लस 26. अब इसमें कोई डाउट है तो बोलो.
But ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Bharat grand 29 years.
भरत के पापा भरत के दादा से 28 इयर्स यंगर होंगे, तो जो भी उसके पापा की एज होगी वो x होगी, तो उसके दादा की एज क्या होगी x प्लस 26 होगी. और वो भरत से कितना यंगर है 29 इयर्स यंगर है, तो भरत की एज क्या हो जाएगी x माइनस 29.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
अब तीनों का एडिशन करना है एंड यू विल गेट एज 135. चलो करो. और those addition is given as a 135. चलो करो. तो x father x minus 29 right. 134 या 135.
Ma'am, 134.
Okay, so 135. Now homework. Minus 3 is equal to 135. Do it yourself only. 135 plus 3.
138.
3x is equal to 138. X is equal to 138 upon 3 is equal to 46. Now, Bharat's age.
Bharat father's.
Oh, age.
Bharat age.
And Bharat is equal to x minus 29.
Find it out. We will get 46 minus 29 this much years. Now Bharat's father's age. वो कितनी है आपकी? Only x, तो वो हो जाएंगे 46 years के. And उसके grandfather, that is age what? X plus 26. You will get x means 46 plus 26 is equal to 72 years. Is it clear now to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now complete this sum. Write it properly. Bharat's age, Bharat's father's age. And here add up Bharat's grandfather's age.
Okay, ma'am.
You just write down in a whole way. Okay, everyone?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. मैम हम पोस्ट टेस्ट भी इसका कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं?
No, post test is not allowed. Only pre test is allowed. Okay?
नो मैम, जो सारथी ऐप की हमारी जो वर्कशीट आई ना उसमें पोस्ट टेस्ट भी दिया है, तो मैंने प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट.
हाँ. You can do that is given in a hard copy. File में जो दिया है that you can start to complete.
your workbook.
A workbook also you start the complete. Now we are.
Ma'am, I start workbook.
Okay, very good. Now we are ending.
अभी मैंने पूरा कर लिया.
Okay, bye everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.